We always work hard and have fun at the same time. It establishes a strong foundation for our interpersonal relationships. Alibaba Cloud Indonesia team is filled with warm, creative, and helpful personalities. The people inside Alibaba Cloud Indonesia is always ready to take on some challenges that they might face without forgetting to help others when they need assistance.
What is it like to work at Alibaba Cloud? I'm excited to work in a place where nothing is impossible. The sky really is the limit. At Alibaba Cloud, what we do is innovate, innovate, innovate. It's about non-stop learning and thinking out of the box.
We're truly an international company with offices around the world. I love working in our Berlin office. It's centrally located, surrounded by many nice coffee shops, restaurants, beer gardens, and sports facilities for you to take a quick break before or after work and relax.
Alibaba Cloud is diverse and multicultural. On a daily basis, I work with colleagues from all around the world. We may have different native languages, but we are all driving the business together.
Alibaba Cloud is truly a big startup with very strong company-wide values-based culture. A company that offers the scale of a very large organization, but at the same time, it's very agile, high growth, fast-moving, resourceful, and customer-focused. This is unique for an organization of this size.
It's a great mix of talents and cultural backgrounds. One thing everyone shares is passion. Passion for their work and passion for continuous improvement. It's infectious.
非常にフレキシブルな勤務体系のおかげで家族と共に過ごす時間が増えたことはとても嬉しく思います。そしてミーティングの合間に私の畑を面倒を見ることができる。これも一つの楽しみです。
The sky is the limit here. I can have a motivation to take my passion and ownership from our culture. And I feel there is a good chance of career advancement with clear, transparent process. We have lots of opportunities.
What sort of person are we looking for? Techie, knowledgeable, and you have to love cloud.
Thinking outside the box. Stay healthy, stay creative. Curious people. A willingness to learn new things is handy. Things move quickly here.
What are you waiting for? Join us!